Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Studio slicer not working or closing, crash and launch error fix. Fix 1. Adjust NVIDIA threaded optimization. Open NVIDIA control panel, then go to 3D settings, then go to manage 3D settings. From there select the program settings tab and click add and choose Bambu Studio, bambustudio.exe if it is not already listed. Now scroll down to the threaded optimization and set it to off. Then click apply and then restart Bambu Studio and try slicing again. Fix 2. Limit CPU affinity. Open Bambu Studio and leave it running. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Then select the Details tab and right-click bambustudio.exe and choose Set Affinity. Now clear all processes, then select only the first few CPU cores, for example CPU 0 through CPU 7. Click OK and test the slicer again. Fix 3. Clear corrupted configuration files. Close Bambu Studio completely, then press Windows plus R and type %app data% and press Enter. Now delete the Bambu Studio folder, then press Windows plus R again, type %local app data% and press Enter. Then delete the Bambu Studio folder from this location as well. Then restart your computer and launch Bambu Studio again. Fix 4. Repair the model or change slicing settings. Right-click the model and select Fix Model, or click the Repair Warning icon if available. Now go to Quality and change the wall generator from Classic to Arcane or vice versa. If using tree supports, switch to normal supports or temporarily disable supports to see if the crash stops. Slice the model again to verify whether the issue is resolved. Fix 5. Reinstall Bambu Studio. Uninstall Bambu Studio from your computer, then install the latest Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime if it is missing or outdated. Then download and install the latest version of Bambu Studio from the official Bambu Lab Visit website and restart your computer and test the slicer again. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.